Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. Welcome, welcome back. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. Welcome back to another Crafty Vision segment. Okay, so I'm going to have to apologize today for my lighting, y'all. I am not at home to you all with a Crafty Vision segment. I decided to take, whenever I go somewhere and I know I'm going to be there for a long period of time, I take my stuff with me. I take my craft stuff with me. So I'm going to show y'all today how to make something really cute and really quick. I'm going to show you how to make a stretch ring, okay? Now, some of y'all may already know how to do that, all right? So here are some of the items that you will need for this here how to make video. Now, whatever 6mm beads you have, this is what I am going to be using, and you can purchase these from Amazon.com. These are gorgeous. These are not gemstones, okay? They are glass beads, 6mm. You can find this mix, once again, on Amazon.com. I'm going to be using some Stretch Magic, 1mm. This stuff is awesome. And for those of you, I got a question not too long ago asking me, where did I purchase these? I purchased these from Michael's, okay? You can find these wood shapes at Michael's, okay? And I'm going to pick out which one of these shapes that I want to use to make my stretch ring, okay? Now, you can go with any size that you prefer. I am going to go with the color red. Yeah, I'm going to go with the color red. And this, when you look on the back, this have all the sizes of the wood. Okay, you got 17mm, 15mm, 13mm, and 10mm. So this is a 10mm right here. And what I'm going to do next is I am going to cut a little smidget of my cord. Take my pliers and snip that, okay? And then I'm going to pre-stretch my cord. So whenever you make anything, whether it's bracelets, earrings, or rings, always make sure you pre-stretch your cord, okay? The reason and the purpose of you pre-stretching your cord is because when you wear anything that's stretched, if the cord has not been pre-stretched, you will be able to tell, because the more you wear something, especially a stretch bracelet, you'll start to see your beads get real big gaps in between it from the bracelet, from the wear of the bracelet. But when you pre-stretch it, and I mean you really pre-stretch it, you'll have this for quite, you'll have your bracelet for quite some time, okay? So basically all I am going to do is I need about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 13 beads altogether. So I am not going to put these on in any color. I am just going to add these on just like this. Just like this. And like I said, I am going to do 13. So basically what I'm going to do, this is going to take me some time. I have 4 in here now. I'm going to speed this process up, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so I decided against this one here. I'm gonna go with this shape here, okay, this square. So as you can see, I have all 13 of my beads lined up, and all I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take and add on my wood piece just like that, and then come here and tie it in a nice knot. You can tie it as many times as you see fit. Most of the time I tie it in 3 knots. You can tie it twice, especially if you are going to be adding glue to it. You can add a little bit of glue, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So once you get your beads on here, right, this is going to be your ring. And you can do this not with just wood shapes. You can do this with glass beads, because this is going to be a one size fit most, okay? Look at that. All right, one size fit most. So now what you want to do is you're just going to take your cutters, come here, snip just like that. Try not to get too close to your knot. I'm going to show you where your knot is. Your knot is right there. And then what you want to do is you want to try to pull your knot on the inside of your wood. And then let's try this on. And bam. You got yourself something really cute. How awesome is that? And I also did it in this yellow. Look at that. And the thing that's so awesome about this, if you don't want to leave this plain, you can paint it. You can put like little marks on it, put some black, white, just make it really, really fancy, but it's comfortable, it's not too tight, and you don't have to do any adjusting. And what I mean when I say adjusting, it's not adjustable at all. It's just a stretch cord ring. All right. And you can make these smaller if you want to. You can make them smaller, bigger. You can, yeah, y'all, the sky is the limit with this. And I'm sure y'all probably have seen something done like this before, but here it is. This is my version of it. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this how to make video. Please make sure you thumbs up this video. Please like, comment, and share. And once again, until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.